There's a common belief that doing more will somehow make things clearer. More effort, more activity, more momentum towards something that finally makes sense. Yet often, the opposite is true. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a quieter path to clarity, one that doesn't depend on speed or volume. Clarity comes from doing less with more intention. This quote reminds us that overload clouds perception. When attention is scattered across too many tasks, thoughts fragment and decisions blur, activity increases, but understanding doesn't. The mind becomes busy without becoming clear. Doing less isn't about avoidance, it's about alignment. When actions are chosen deliberately, energy concentrates, each step carries purpose. The mind has space to notice, evaluate, and respond. Intention filters out noise and leaves what matters visible. Clarity grows in that space, not because life becomes simpler overnight, but because focus sharpens. You begin to move thoughtfully instead of reactively, and thoughtful movement creates direction where busyness never could. Here's one simple way to work with this today. Choose one task or commitment to approach with full intention. Give it your complete attention. Even if only briefly, notice how different that feels from spreading yourself thin. Carry that focus with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to fill every moment to find clarity. Often, doing less with care reveals more than doing more without it. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Intention sharpens awareness, and simplicity reveals direction. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.